Hi students, welcome again to this video, continuation of journal entries. Last video, we discussed account types, rules and procedure of journal entry. In this video also, again we discuss about types, rules and journal entries. Okay, so accounts types are personal, real, nominal. Rules are personal account rules, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account rule, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Nominal account rule, all expenses and losses debit, all incomes and gains credit. The procedure of accountant, each transaction he will analyze, regard and posted into ledger account, updated into trial balance. From trial balance, he prepare financial statements, trading profit and loss account, and that will be supplied for the users. First user is the management, government, and others, creditors and others. Types of accounts are three: personal, real, nominal. Personal accounts are three. Those are natural persons, representative persons, artificial persons. Easy to identify natural persons, your name, my name, and some other names. Artificial persons are your bank, company, and representative persons are outstanding expenses and outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, like that. Real accounts, which are used to record property, possession, or liability. It is two types, that is tangible real account, and the one is intangible real account. Nominal account is used to record incomes, gains, losses, and expenses. And very important to remember in our mind for lifelong is if the personal account is there, the account representing personal, then we have to apply debit the receiver or credit the giver rule. Suppose if the person is getting benefited, means he is a receiver, we have to debit his account. If the person is in the state of giving, then we have to credit his account. So whenever the account type is personal, we have to apply debit the receiver, credit the giver, and we have to debit if he is a receiver. If not so, if he is a giver, we have to credit him. Real account rules are debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And nominal account rules are debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Okay, this is very important. Accounts are how many types? Three types. What are they? Personal, real, nominal. So what is the real account rules? Debit what comes in, credit what. This is in table format. Explained. Okay, now journal entries, regarding journal entries. Journal entry procedure. Okay, to bring this form, journal entry form, now we are at the stage of analysis. We are making analysis and passing the journal entry. Okay, right. Now 14th problem till 13 I explained, 13th date. I hope you completed. Bought goods from Sham. So purchase account data to Sham account. Received from Krishna, allowed him discount. I hope you completed. Paid Sham in cash. That is also you completed. Cash sales for the month. Paid rent and salary. If not so, try to complete that one. Now come to the problem number 15. 15th problem we are doing. So I am opening PPT as well as MS Excel. Okay. So in this, we will have journal entries we are passing. Problem number 15. Started business with cash. Started business with cash. Entry is accounts affected are cash. Another one is capital. Cash is real account. Cash type is real account. Ramesh or who started according to his name, it is personal. And real account rules are what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Here we are getting cash. That's why we have to use the rule, apply the rule, what comes in. What comes in the debited. Then is a giver. That's why his account or Ramesh capital account or his capital account will be credited. So I have to write a debit first. So cash account debit amount is 50,000 to capital account credit amount is 50. Narration will be we have to write narration. Okay, na? Right later. Right. Next to deposited into bank. Paid into bank or deposited into bank. Cash. One account is cash. Another account is bank. Cash is real account, real type. Bank also real type. When I deposited into bank or when I paid into bank, cash is going out. Then I have to apply rule. What goes out? Credit. When I deposited into bank, cash is coming into business. What comes in? Debit. Now I have to first debit the account. Bank account I have to debit. Amount is 28,000. Cash account 28,000. Narration I have to write. I will write later narration. Okay. Next, bought goods from Messrs. Singh and Co. on credit. What we bought goods. Whenever bought goods are there, we have to write as purchases. Purchases. Okay. Is nothing but goods. From where these were bought, Messrs. Singh and Co. Exchange is Singh and Co. Okay, purchase are goods is nothing but a real account. Singh and Co is a company, artificial person, that is personal account. Right. When I bought goods, goods are coming in. What comes in? I have to debit. Students remember, purchase are always debit, even though they are cash purchase or credit purchase. Singh and Co is giver. His account should be credited. Okay, so the name debit is purchases account data. Amount is 22,000. Messrs. Singh and Co. 22,000 credit. Screen is half, that's why we are little bit dim. Next, coming to the fourth, purchased furniture. One is furniture. Another one is cash. You can raise a question, there is no cash. Is there any furniture purchased from any party? No party name is there. That's why it is cash. Okay. Furniture is asset, real. Cash is asset, real. When I purchased furniture, it is coming in. And what comes in debit? When I paid cash, cash is going out. What goes out will be credit. What goes out will be credit. Then first entry debit I have to write furniture account data. Amount is 4,200. To cash account. Next, fifth one is note down this and verify the transaction accounts type as well as rules and journal entry. Okay, purchased adding machine and typewriter for 8,400. Payment in all cases made by check. So adding machine and typewriter, one is machine, typewriter and machine. Another one is payment is made through check, na? That's why bank. It is real account. Bank also real account. When I purchase a typewriter is coming in. What comes in? Debit. When I paid bank, then it is going out. What goes out? Credit. So first I have to write typewriter. And adding machine account data to bank account. Okay, you can write the amount in your notebook. You are having space, write the. Next, paid for postage. Postage is expense, and we paid cash for postage. Postage is expense. Expenses are nominal accounts. Cash is which type of account? Real account. All expenses and losses should be debit. Debit. Expenses and losses debit, and cash is going out. What goes out is credit. So I have to write debit item first, postage account data, amount is 215 maybe, to cash account. Amount will be 215. Okay, next, seventh item, sold goods per cash. It is sales. Sales and purchases. Remember always goods. Goods are real account. And we sold for cash. Cash. Goods are real account. Cash is real account. Goods are going out. What goes out? What goes out is credit. Na? Then cash is coming in. What comes in? What comes in will be debit. ఏంటిది అది రాలేదా నా దగ్గర తెచ్చిపెట్టవా కొంచెం ఒక శివాని ఒకసారి పెయింటింగ్ శివనా ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ 103. So cash is coming in to be debited, then cash account data. To sales account. Amount to 5,400. Right. Okay. Next, sold goods on credit to Sharda and Co. Okay, we will write. Eighth one, goods, and here it is Sharda and Co. Sharda and Co is personal, and he is a receiver. The receiver will be debited. The entry will be Sharda and Co account data. Account data to sales account. Amount will be 4,600. 4,600. Okay. And next, paid to Singh and Co 21,000. Discount allowed to them is 1,000. This is compound entry. We are getting more than 2 debit and credit. More debits are more credits. Okay, one is we paid amount, I think, paid to Messrs. Singh and Co. First one is by S Singh and Co. And we paid cash. Another one is cash. And we got benefited. Discount received. We received discount. We got benefit. Discount received. Right. Mr. Singh and Co is personal. Cash is real, and discount received is nominal. Okay, Mr. Singh and Co is a receiver. Paid to na receiver. The receiver is debited. Cash is going out. What goes out? What goes out is credit. And here, income that we got a gain, I think. So out of 22,000, look at January 3rd entry. Out of 22,000, we paid 21,000 only. We are getting gain. So the incomes and gains. Incomes and gains will be credit. Right now, debit amount is Mr. Singh and Co. Amount is 22,000 to cash. To cash, credit amount is 21,000 and to discount. Amount is 1,000. Look at even compound entry, debit amount is equal to credit. Debit amount is equal to credit. Okay, sold goods to Ray and Co. Same, all journal entries are similar in nature. Sold goods to Ray and Co. Goods as well as party name will be Messrs. Ray and Co. I think 25th date. It is personal and he is the receiver. Receiver is debited. So entry will be Messrs. Ray and Co. account return. Amount is 5,000 to sales account. Okay, right. 26th date is a received check from Shraddha and Co. in full settlement of the account due by them. Amount is 4560. Received check Shraddha and Co. amount is 4,600. So we received 4560, loss of 40. Then also compound entry. It is also compound entry. Right. So here account is Shraddha and Co. Personal, we received the amount, that's why giver to be credited, and we receive cash. Cash is real account. What comes in debit? Then discount allowed. There is a loss for us. 40 rupees we got loss. Nominal, the expenses and losses. Expenses and losses will be debit. Okay. Now we have to write cash account data. Cash account data. Cash amount is 4560. Discount account data. Discount account data. That is 40 rupees. To Messrs. Shraddha. $4,600. Okay, students. This is one. Next, next entry is paid for electric charges, and the entry will be electric charges account data. Directly we can pass because electric charge is salary, rent, all are expenses. All expenses to be debited. Directly I am writing electric charges account data. Amount is 100. Salary account data. Amount is 1500. Okay, right. Next, next one is rent account data. Rent is paid through check, I think. Rent account data. So we will pass only for these two. To cash account. Amount is 1600. Okay, one entry. Next, rent paid through check. Na? So we will take rent account data. Rent also expense. Rent account data. Amount is 2000. Paid through check. Na? That's why to bank account. Amount is 2000. Okay, right. Due for private use is nothing but drawings. Drawings are always debit. drawings account data, amount is 3,500 to cash account. Cash is going out from the organization. Okay, that is simple. So I left this account types, account affected account types and rules. Without those, I passed this entry. Next problem onwards, directly we are passing this one. Even though we will try with this. Okay. Okay, students. So you do one thing. You try problem number 13, problem number 14, problem number 15 once again. Okay. Check with the correctness. Okay. Bye, students.